Turaab and welcome to Turmia's world. Today we're going to be making a hippopotamus out of Legos. So let's get right into it. So these are the pieces for the hippopotamus. So we're going to also make a bird that's going to go on the hippopotamus's back. So first we're going to make the hippopotamus, starting with this 4x6 platform. Next, we're gonna take these 4x2 pieces, and then we're gonna put it right on the top. So there should be like room for one more of this. So then we're gonna take this pink 2-piecer and these 1-piecers, and we're gonna put it right next to the 2 pink ones, like that. Next, you're going to take these two, they're going to be serving your teeth. Well, whatever. So now we're going to be building the legs. Okay, so you're going to have these two, and you're going to put it right on the bottom, right next to each other. And there should be a gap. And then you're going to take the same pieces but smaller, so they're going to be more flatter, and put them right on the bottom of the legs. Now you're going to flip it over and take these curved ones. They have 4 dots, and they're going to go at the back of the hip. So now we're going to be building the front top teeth. So you're going to take the same thing that you put on the back of the hippo, and you're going to put one of the dots right on top of it. And you're going to put it right over here. So the tooth should be at the end. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side, and you're going to put it right on top. Next, you're going to take this 4x2 piece, which is flat, and put it right over there. Next, you're going to take this piece. It has like a small line at the bottom, and you're also going to take 2 eyes, which have a dot. And you're going to put that over here, right on the hippo. On the front of that 2x4 piece. Next, you're going to do the same thing. So it should be like that. And just put it on over there. Now, we're going to put the hippo this side and build the bird. So you're going to have this 2 bumped piece that we used on the Flamingo in gray. We're also going to have this 1 piece. So we're going to take this, and then we're also going to take this piece that we used for the Flamingo's face, but just in black. And you're going to put this 1 piece right on there. Then you're going to take the 2 eyes, and you're going to put it right on top. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So it should look like this. And then you're going to put it right over here on the back of the hippo. So here it is, your hippo. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, like this video, and share with a friend. Bye. See you later on Turmia's World.